What's up, guys? Jay here from Easy Blade. Today we're going to do a high military skin fade with a beard. Now you can see this one comes out extremely sharp. I like this haircut. Don't miss out on this one. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and start our skin line. Now we're starting it again a little higher than usual. We're going to go above the temple area of the head, almost towards the crown. And we're going to do that all the way around the head, making sure that it's nice and clean. You want to make sure that you're cleaning everything up, guys. Okay, now that we did our skin line, we're just gonna add that shaver in there. Now you can see in the beginning of the video that haircut was extremely sharp. This is why, and this is why the fade pops. You wanna go ahead and add in the shaver. So step number 2, we're gonna open the machine up all the way and we're gonna start our first guideline. Do that all the way around the head. Now you can see we're almost towards the crown of the head. So as we start to blend it in, we're gonna have to make sure we're a little bit towards the crown. Step number 3, we're gonna grab a 1.5 guard. This is gonna be by far our biggest guard, and we're gonna bring that all the way up to the crown, and we're gonna be clearing out all of that bulk. Not too much bulk that he has, but we're gonna make sure that we clean everything out. Now you can see I'm bringing this high again. This is more of a military style haircut. A lot of people like high fades. Me personally, I like high fades as well. I do that on myself. I cut my own hair, so I do that as well. So step number 4, we're gonna drop down to that 1 guard, and we're gonna start to blend into that 1.5. And if you guys watch this channel, you do know the safest way to cut hair is to work your way from the biggest guard down to the smallest guard. This is by far the safest way of fading hair. When you try to fade up, this is why a lot of guys create new lines. Now you can see I'm angling that machine different ways. That's because his hair is growing different ways. You wanna make sure that you're following the path of the way the hair is growing. Now you can see the blend is starting to come out. Now that blend is going to completely start to come out as we start to fade that guideline. We're going to use that half guard. This is step number 5. Now you can see that is coming completely out. The last thing we're going to concentrate on is that skin line. Same steps apply here, guys. As you get higher, make sure you're opening that lever because we're fading into the previous guard. Okay, step number 6 is no guard, guys. Now you guys remember we did open the machine all the way when we made our first guideline, and we're gonna start to skin out that line. If your machine is 0 gapped, if it's not, go to our channel and type in how to 0 gap, your clipper. That's very important to remove that skin line. A lot of you new guys probably do have problems like that where you can't remove the line. It's all about just having your tools where you need them to be so you can perform how you're supposed to perform. This is the biggest thing, guys. If your tools aren't where they need to be, then you're not going to be able to perform correctly. That's like anything in life, guys. If you're a mechanic, you need the right tools. You guys know if you ever try to fix something, you don't have the right tools, it's extremely hard. Now we're just lining the side over here. This is what's going to make that fade haircut pop. This is what's going to make it look like it has enhancements on it when we use the straight razor. Now we're going to go ahead and start that beard. And we're gonna just blend in the side right here on the beard. I wanna go ahead and blend that out so it won't be a hard line. Now we're gonna start our lineup. Now, he came in with the bottom of his neck already shaved. I guess he did it himself, so I pretty much gotta keep that line where it's at. I probably personally would have kept it a little bit lower. So I'm gonna shape the top of the cheek as high as I can. We wanna make that beard as wide as we can. And I'm just gonna follow the line that he did before he came into the shop. Going under the mustache, I also want to line the top of the mustache as well, just to make it look good and give it that look, give it that pop, Same thing over here, fading out the sides just so we won't have a hard line. And we're also going to go ahead and line up the top here and make sure that it's as wide as possible. And that detail is going to come with that straight razor, guys. You already know if you watch this channel, I'm all about the detail with the straight razors. So the first thing we're going to do here is basically go ahead and grab some Easy Blade shave gel. You guys can grab that on our website, easybladeshavingproducts.com. Now what this shave gel is going to do is going to allow the blade to glide, guys. Now we're using one of our new straight razors along with an Easy Blade double-edged razors. If you guys haven't been to our website, go check it out. We have tons of products, hair products, straight razors, whatever you need. Stretch the skin, angle the blade at a 30-degree, guys. Very important. Now, you guys know I don't like enhancements too much. There's a couple videos where I do use them. I want to get more into it, but if you want a straight, sharp line, guys, you want to make sure that you're detailing it with the straight razor. So you can see we're going to grab some more Easy Blade shave gel. We're going to put that on there. We're really going to make this thing pop. Now, this haircut looks like it has enhancements on it, and it doesn't, guys. That's because that detail with the straight razor is extremely important, guys. You want to make sure that you're really, really adding that to it. Same thing over here, pulling the skin, just putting that razor exactly where I want it to be. And this is basically what we have, guys. I want you guys to go ahead and like the video, subscribe, show some love. Now you can see this haircut is extremely sharp if you like it. Again, Jay here from EasyBladeShavingProducts.com. Thanks for watching.